put dirt around them. This little guy, this little canteen, because he's not quite dried yet, I would love to hang him off of here, but he's not quite dry, so he's not gonna hang. It'll wind up pulling the, so I'm just gonna lay it over my rocks here.
Okay, I have a piece of chocolate here that I melted and I just put it on a piece of parchment paper so that we could actually make a camp sign. So I'm just going to take it. Look at that buttercream all over my hands.
Gotta have a camp sign.
Take a, you just want to set it out and let it dry at room temp. And you just kind of want to score it first so that doesn't happen. And just kind of, you think this is too big? Where do we want it? We're going to put it like down there somewhere.
We're gonna put it
By the
right
time I
there?
cut it down, it'll probably be fine. So if you just kind of score it like this on both sides and then snap it like that, and then I'll go ahead and take off some here. Maybe I'll make it a little lower. Okay, and then what you want to do is on the ends make it look kind of worn by just taking out some little pieces with your paring knife. You can even do that on top, just make it a little rugged. And then the part that was down, the smoother side, that's what you're actually going to write on. But you want it to look like a couple of pieces of wood, a couple of planks. So go ahead and do one line straight across, and that's like it's 2 planks. And then just do some little wood grain with your paring knife. And then kind of wipe that off. And then we can take some buttercream and we can write on that. Right?
All right.
Right.
And so do you have that buttercream ready?
Yeah, it's
in a
by
bag.
you.
Yes. There it is. And it's got a tip number 3 in it for you.
Tip number 3. Lucky number 3. Lucky number 3. Okay, so what do we want at camp? What? Camp YummyArts?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like it.
I like
Camp
it.
YummyArts.
Yes.
Yes.
We could start at Camp YummyArts.
Sure.
There we go. So, hopes if it comes out. Okay. What are you doing?
I'm
This is
over
boring.
here, and this was not drying fast enough for me, so I actually took a toothpick and I rolled the fondant and chocolate around it so that I could get it moving along a little faster. And then I poked it down inside the marshmallow so that you can see right here, it now stands up. And so we'll do the same thing over here then, so that we are roasting marshmallows. So I'm going to come along and I'm going to finish up some of these edges, and I'm actually going to use the black, with your permission, Susan.
Yes. Well, I was
it
trying
says
to make them a little bit more squarish looking, but
Okay. And this is just going to rest down in here,
squarish. Yeah.
correct?
Yeah, somewhere like here.
If we put it there, it hides our whole fire.
We want, let's see, sorry, we
have to do this, sorry.
Because this, we want it good for photos, you know.
Yeah.
We'll just lower it, maybe like that.
Oh, let it rest off the rock.
There we go.
Okay. Do you have another little candy rock still available?
Where
here.
did I put them?
I'll just push that one up underneath there.
Okay,
There we go.
cool.
All right, so I'm gonna finish it off. Now, there's a difference when you're camping here in California than when you are camping in Minnesota. We have lots of grass and greenery, and I know you have sand here, and I'm quite sure that there is. We're gonna pop that back around there just because we can. And she's gonna add more sand. I was gonna do black across there.
Black?
Yeah.
Like black what?
Like
Oh, yeah, okay, that's fine. I was just trying to cover up the white.
Yeah.
So those are the dark chocolate crumbs.
Yes. And we'll filter them out.
Oh, that looks good. That pops it.
Yes. Thank you.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
All right.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Just don't get in my hairspace.
I know.
All right.
Hairspray.
You can see that, once again, this takes a lot of skill and practice. It's a
does.
little scooping action. You scoop and you sprinkle. And you just
Scoop
want
and
to
sprinkle. Scoop and repeat.
raise that up. Come on in there. And you just really want to cover all of your edges. And as soon as I get done, we can come back and then we can kind of bring it up to the bottom of it. And do remember, always finish off your boards. You would want to put a ribbon across this to finish it.